Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the blade on our backpacking saw. So first thing you're going to need to do is remove the tensioning cord, and that simply slips through the cotter pin. And then you'll have a cotter pin holding the blade to the tensioning cord. You're going to want to remove this. You can either use your fingers and bend it out like that. You don't want to bend it all the way, just bend it out at about 45-degree angle, and then you can take either a pair of pliers or a screwdriver and unbend it just enough to remove the blade. Then you can go ahead and put the new blade on. And if you have the finger strength to do this, you can just use your fingers and bend it back. It's much easier to use a pair of pliers though. We'll go ahead and just bend it back together like so. Now you may need to take your pliers and squeeze these just enough so that they'll feed back into the collar like so. You don't want to squeeze these together too tight or you'll crease it and you'll need a new cotter pin. And then you can go ahead and feed the cord back on both sides, and then you're ready to go. Now what I found is that you typically can change the blade about 3 times before you need a new cotter pin. Technically you can push it a little bit farther, but every time you change the blade and bend the cotter pin, you weaken it slightly. So again, I would recommend about 3 blade changes before I'd replace the cotter pin. The cotter pins look like this. You can actually pick these up at your local hardware store. Contact us on the correct size to use if you are interested in picking one of these up locally. Or you can simply match it up to the size that's already on the blade. Or if you want, you can go ahead and contact us and come back here and we'll send you a new cotter pin if you need one.